I'm Marc Bragdon, head of the Harriet Irving Library Research Commons here on the third floor of the Harriet Irving Library, here to invite you to the first Graduate Research Booster session of the academic year, which will be taking place on Friday, September 23rd at 1 p.m. in the Innovation Hub. The Graduate Research Booster will consist of 3 talks, 15 minutes each, introducing you to people, services, technology, and expertise available to you on your path to research success.
Hi, I'm Nason, your Open Scholarship and Publishing Librarian. Next Friday, I'm going to be giving a session on scholar profiles. Scholar profiles are places where you can share your research and share your publications with other researchers, sort of enjoy a community of practice. We're going to be talking about academia.edu and ResearchGate, which are more like academic social media, and then we're going to be talking about ORCID, which is an increasingly important place to share your research and publications.
Zotero is citation management software that enables you to harvest citations and PDFs from a variety of sources and then organize them, annotate them, and export them to bibliographies. And we will be using Google Scholar as an example of one of the platforms that plays well with Zotero, as well as impart a few tips and tricks for leveraging Google Scholar in your own research.
Hi, my name's Erik, and I'm on the Humanities and Social Sciences team in the libraries. My colleague Julie and I will be talking to you this booster about text and data mining, also called text mining or TDM. You may be familiar with the concept. You take a large body of text, the novels of Margaret Atwood, or newspaper coverage over several decades, or what have you, and using powerful software, you run analyses. What words and phrases occur the most? How do they change over time? What's their sentiment analysis? That is, are they favorable or unfavorable? We'll look at 2 different platforms that we support, Voyant and Gale Digital Scholar Lab, and I hope to see you there.
See you on the 23rd.